Today we're going to be working on a pbskids.com site called WordWorld. You might have seen the show on TV. So after you get started, it does some talking, but then you get to where you can actually get started with the game. So at this point, I can click on the words. So I could click on the word truck here. I've got a picture here where I can go to a different area. I can click on that. I have a map. Now if I click on the map, I'm going to be exiting out of that adventure. Right now I'm going to say no to that, but I will click on the truck so you can see what that adventure does. So it talks. So our truck broke apart. We have the word here and we have to build that word, starting with the T. And we just move our mouse to go back and forth so that we can see all the letters. So we're going to make our word. So we spelled truck, T-R-U-C-K, and then we get the word once we spell it. So this is our word space, and now we have the word truck. And we have a little video here of our character spelling the word truck. So now that I've completed that activity, it took me here to our map, which we saw where the little map was over here a minute ago. So you can click on the places this way when you move over them. Things like mountain, station, train station, house, this log here, the nest. You can also go directly to the games by clicking up here, or the Build a Word adventures like the truck one, you can go directly here. You can also click on the characters down here to go straight to their area as well. You have your word space, so I have two things in it. So if I click on my word space, for example, I've got different characters here. I've got places, so maybe I want to put this cave as my background, and then I want to put a cow out front. I can make him bigger or smaller. I can erase him with the eraser and move him around. I also have these little coloring people here, so I can click on that and I can make him a pink pig if I want. And move him wherever I want. Have to close off of that though, or it'll keep trying to color. So I have those options here in the words that I've gotten. Now if I don't have any words that I've gotten because I haven't played much, then I might want to play before I go into my word space. We are not printing. If I want to clear all, I do have one big eraser for that. So your job is to explore all of WordWorld. Play the 6 games, do the word adventures, create your word space. Now you have to stay on this activity. We're not clicking on any of this stuff down here. You need to stay in WordWorld.